Alright, what's up guys? So the gameplay that you guys are about to watch is from a game called Power Drill Massacre. It's made by these developers called Puppet Combo. They make like retro style horror games. This game was fairly hard. I did not beat it. I mean, you'll see, but it was really difficult. I'll leave the link to the game and where to get it in the description. You guys should try it out. Yeah, enjoy. Or not. Alright. It's kind of hidden. It's kind of loud. I was listening to some bump. Just don't even worry about all that.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Does the game have to be this loud? Hold on. Oh, this is sounding a little too serious right now. Okay. I do not like these controls. I'm gonna be honest with you. Hello? That man is dead! She even like him, to be honest. Look at her reaction. Look at that. She don't even care. Let's go to the trunk. My flashlight. Pick it up. I mean, yeah. Okay. That's a nice sound. I guess we should turn it on. I already knew what to press to turn it on. F for a flashlight. They think they gonna scare somebody that easily. Can we? Is this the camera angle? Is this what we're gonna? Can I? Ah, okay. Much better. Here we go. I was not using my mouse. I don't know why I wasn't doing that, but now I am. I'm with the program. Rattlesnake. Little rattlesnake action. Did y'all hear that? I didn't. Just gonna mind my own business. Strong wind going on. We're not afraid of it. It's honestly like daytime right now, so like there's nothing to be afraid of. A little bit of the cabin. What a creepy old shed. It's boarded up. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it is boarded up, Karen. I'm just gonna call her Karen. She looks like a Karen. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it is boarded up, Karen. I'm just gonna call her Karen. She looks like a Karen. We are moving though, like she is not getting tired. This girl is running probably like a 4 or 5 if I'm being honest. Give her some get some trainers on? Who the hell says trainers? Get her some, it's a UK thing, yeah? Hey bro. What? Man. I don't know if I'm trying to play this, if I'm being honest with y'all. This is like my first scary game in a very long time. These graphics are not looking the most appealing, but I guess that's like the Puppet Combo way, you know, like they just very minimalistic, very swag. Oh, it's their own type of swag, just like I have my own type of swag. Should we go here? Is this is where he was at, right? He just disappeared, vanished into midair. Yes, Megan. What a creepy building. Yo. That just... I gotta hype myself up for this. Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh, footsteps. Oh, nah. Stop. Oh, this okay, this mouse is way too sensitive.
12 seconds later.
Alright, we're gonna check out this room right here. And the bathroom right here. And not trying to deal with all this. What does that say? Ukes? Why can't I? Gotta watch our back, Karen. Yo, why is the? You know what? I'm gonna change the sensitivity of my mouse because this is crazy. There we go. That's a little bit better. I'm gonna have to check every single. What does that say? There's just some graffiti. Like I doubt that really has to do with the. If I'm missing anything, I'm gonna be very, very, very sick. Why? Alright, so I'm back where we started. That previous clip, I was just being... That was kind of for show. I just had to, you know... This is for real now. I already know where he's at now, so if he pulls... I'm about to hit him with the... Bop! And it's done. So let's go ahead and continue. Got a little bit of nothing over here. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go straight this time. Like, you see how there's a thing right down? Bro, honestly, I'm a little scared. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I know he's there. But this game is so loud. Like, I don't know why I'm doing. What up? What up? Yeah, that's right. Bro, why do I have to go that way? Oh, I got... Bro, I don't like the way, like, I don't like the way that this game is played. Like, y'all don't understand that you gotta... Looks like an article ripped out of the newspaper. Read it. We don't got time to okay, I guess we gotta read. Wow. That was great information. No. Bro, you don't know how much I just want to walk by that room. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we're going into unmarched territory right now. Man, I just gotta stop being a wuss. What up? Oh my god, bro. The controls on this game are off. What up, man? Frick, man. I am so terrified. Looks like some kind of machine. I don't think I can use this. Bro, what is that noise? What is the... Man, let's go, bro. I'm done being scared. Stop capping. Oh, hell nah, bro. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. No. I'm being a little wussy right now, bro. There's noise over here. What up? What up, bruh? And hey! Room. Just wait till I get these controls down. Having to turn for every second. Yeah, look at me. I'm turning on the jets in this career. Oh no! I hate this game. 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 Murdered. Holding my leg. Why is he so fast? Yeah, whatever. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't see that flashing before. Looks like a key. Pick it up. Man, yes! You got a key with red paint splash. Red paint or blood? Alright, now we know exactly what to do. We running right back over there. What up? We not afraid of no one. Alright. We went. Why are you so fast? But hit him with the hook. Oh my god, I can't play this game. I can't. First of all, Megan was running a 4-4, bro. She was fast. Mans came out and he's running a 2-2. He's so fast. What is going on? This game is not fair. Bro, look at my hands. I'm trembling. I'm trembling. I'm sorry, Megan. Damn. Woo! We turned it on the jets in this building. Oh, there's a whole upstairs. We were not built for this game. We were not built for this game. Let me tell y'all that. Boy, if you just run, the whole thing. No, let's turn around. Karen, turn around. Keep saying Karen. Oh, he's getting close. That's not good. Back up, buddy. That's right. I don't know when you're coming. Let's go this way. Oh no. In the basement? That's definitely not where we're supposed to go. Oh no. This game is massive. Let's continue to run, bro. Why wouldn't we continue to run? Look at all these sharp turns. For what? Oh, stop doing that. Okay, we just came out of there. Right? This is the most inefficient way to play this game. I'm so scared. What the?
Hey!
This game is huge, bro. Bro, did you see how? No, we should not. Oh, this goo. Oh, we about to. We not walking out of here with some. Yeah, you always feel like you're being washed. Oh. Ah! Ah! So that was Power Drill Massacre. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't. I won't be playing this game again. Yeah.